This 1940 Buick Special convertible coupe is an absolutely spectacular, beautifully restored car. Super high quality work. We think it was done about 20 years ago, 2004, and it has held up absolutely beautiful. It is in wonderful condition. Runs beautifully and looks spectacular. Everything has been done. It looks to me like it was a frame-off restoration. All the details are right. Those running boards are beautiful. Look at this dashboard. Wow, that is awesome. The steering wheel's nice. Interior's beautiful. I love it. Let's look at the interior. It is really spectacularly nice. Here's the Buick 8 emblem on the restored steering wheel. Beautiful, excellent. The gauges are original and in very good, but not perfect condition. Look at that wood graining on the top of the dash, and all that engine turning. Really, this car has been the subject of an excellent restoration. Wow. Let's look at the trunk. It's nicely appointed with the proper shelf and spare holder, and the spare wheel is nicely done, and the inside of the trunk is nicely done too. Wow, that is great. Beautiful straight 8 engine, Buick 8 Dynaflash. Wow, love the names. And it's beautifully finished throughout. Really a nice one. Wow. Here's the seats. In the rear compartment, looks like we've got seat belts if you want to use them. And yeah, terrific. All right, we're going to start the car, which you do by turning the key to the right and put the foot on the gas. It starts right up. It's got that great straight 8 sound. And good oil pressure. Runs nice and cool. The amp meter doesn't seem to work, and neither does the gas gauge. Horn works though, and so do the wipers. Yay, wipers. Alright, we're going to do a little test here with the transmission. We're in second gear right now, and it's the 1940 GM 3-speed torture test is to let it run downhill and see if it pops out of gear. But this one does not. And it's nice and quiet, and the synchros are good, so I'm really happy with the transmission and the engine. Really, it runs nice. Buick Special is an incredibly nice car. All the chrome is wonderful. I mean, all this stuff. These grills are hard to plate, and there is not a pit on it. Same with the parking light housings, and of course the bumpers are nice. It's just really a wonderful car. I really like this one.